In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for budget tracking. To start, open Monday.com and head to your Workspace home. Make sure you're logged into the correct account or team so you see the boards and templates that are relevant to your work. From the home screen, look toward the area where you can add a new board. Here, you'll see an option that lets you begin from an existing structure instead of building everything from scratch. Choose the option to start with a template. Templates are really helpful because they come with pre-built columns, views, and example items that are already tailored for specific use cases, like budget management and project tracking. Once the Template Center opens, go to the search bar at the top and type in the text shown on your screen. This will narrow down the results so you can quickly find the budget-related template we're using in this walkthrough. When the search results appear, select the highlighted budget template. This will open a detailed preview where you can see how the board is laid out, including example groups and columns. If it looks like what you need, go ahead and click Use Template. Monday.com will then add a new board to your workspace based on that design. Once the board is created, you'll see several different views along the top. First, open the Gantt view. Even though our focus is budget tracking, the Gantt view helps you understand how your budget aligns with timelines and key activities, giving you a sense of when money is being planned or spent. Next, switch over to the quarterly budget chart view. This gives you a visual snapshot of your spending and allocation across the quarter, making it easier to spot overages or underfunded areas at a glance. After that, click into the Creative Files view, where you can store related assets, like campaign creatives, proposals, or invoices tied to specific budget items. Now return to the Main Table view. This is where most of your budget data lives. Locate the item labeled Winter Clearance Sale and select it. You'll see associated details in the row, including quantities or phases. Click on the numeric value to open the item and review or adjust specifics. Within the item details, use the highlighted fields to refine your goals, such as reach monthly target, and set the priority level to something like high so your team understands its importance. Make sure the activity type, such as email campaign, correctly reflects how that budget will be used. Update the numeric amount, for example, the 5,175 value shown, to match your actual budget or spend. Finally, navigate back to the high-level marketing budget group and use the highlighted controls to expand, collapse, and adjust items as needed, keeping your overall budget organized and aligned with your targets.